So, first of all, what's the motivation? Why are they creating this new capital?
Thank you for having me. One of the primary reasons to build a new capital is because the existing capital in Indonesia, Jakarta, is sinking, it's overcrowded, it's congested. So the idea is to alleviate some of the pressure of Jakarta and then create a new administrative capital, very much like, what you have in the US, which is, you have Washington, D.C., and you have New York. And the second key reason is basically to spread the wealth, because currently wealth and power is very much concentrated to Jakarta. Jakarta alone contribute over 16% to Indonesia's total GDP. And the other reason is basically to sort of establish economic higher economic status by 2045. And this new capital is expected to create more than 4 million jobs. It's expected to bring in more sectors, investment in new sectors like clean energy, renewable energy, and that's why they want this new capital very badly.
Well, it's great that it's going to create jobs and help the country get richer, but the problem is apparently the foreign investors aren't sure they're going to get richer if they invest in this.
And that is really the main crux of this whole development, which is, how do you actually finance this colossal $34 billion project? And it's not something that, is going to happen within the next 5 or 10 years. It's going to happen, the ultimate deadline of this 5-stage project is by 2045. And the government, President Joko Widodo, or Jokowi as he's known, wants 80% of the capital to come from private and foreign investors. And, while there have been so much talk about interest from foreign investors ranging from China to Malaysia to Europe to the US, there hasn't been any binding contract signed, and this is proving to be an uphill battle for the government, because as we can all see, the global economy is slowing down. There isn't that much appetite, and for the foreign investors, they are saying, I rather focus on my domestic projects rather than investing in this long drawn massive project that isn't going to bring me returns fast enough.